So what I had to do was go back and unloosen this to move it up in order to get this fit. If you can't see, I had to slide this under a little bit or it wasn't gonna fit, but now it does. So once you get to the step, you might have to go back, or just don't tighten the screws until you have everything level, and then you'll be able to slide it under and stick the washer. You know, you have to finesse it a little bit, but it'll work. They might not say that, and I'm referring to step 4 and 3. So currently I'm connecting parts K and 4, 6, and 7 together in the end part. When you on the top part, you can screw it like this, but once you get to the bottom, you'll see you can't. You just flip it over with this way, like this, and just tighten it like that, like twisting it. So for the last step on step 6, I'm gonna grab one of these planks and have it on the side that has the little holes, because at first I had it like this. But even though it has that, you'll see it and you don't see where you can put them, so you just might want to do it randomly, I guess. What an educated guess. Baby.